Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shannon Cake. Your Storm Team 5 forecast is a minute away. A quick look at your WPTV headlines this afternoon. The president kicking off his official start of his 2020 re-election campaign in Orlando tonight. His advisors say he will connect the dots between the promise of his first-time candidacy and his goals for another term in the White House. Thousands of supporters have lined up for tickets since yesterday. The big event is tonight at 8 o'clock. Police have identified the victim in a deadly shooting in West Palm Beach. They say Joshua Kennedy was killed about 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon at the Royal Ponciana Apartments. A newly formed crime task force is taking the lead on this case. So far, no arrests. If you have any information, you're urged to call Crime Stoppers. A local lawmaker is leading the charge to get you more information faster if there's another health threat like hepatitis A in our community. State Representative Toby Overdorf says more should be done to keep you in the know as hepatitis A cases climbed in our area. Several new cases have been reported in 3 local counties just in the past few days. Steve?
Shannon, rain and thunderstorms tapering off through the evening, then partly cloudy, 75 the overnight low. Another round tomorrow. So some sunshine to start and then heavy downpours and a few lightning strikes as we get into the mid and late afternoon on Wednesday, a high of 90. And we start to turn a corner a little bit on Thursday, not as widespread with the rainfall. Friday, Saturday and Sunday, lots of sunshine, but we turn up the heat into the low and mid 90s.
Steve, thank you. And don't forget, for breaking news, make sure you have the free WPTV mobile app loaded onto your smartphone. I'm Shannon Cake, and those are your WPTV headlines.